humanity is fighting a really strong enemy, that's pollution, and we need to think that we live among those reckless people that don't care about the consequences and throw garbage on the ground, as the person as you see now. So, by letting that slip away, it could turn up like this, and the results would be preposterous. Leading that to taking showers with plastic bottles and with a lot of toxic wastes. At some point, reaching food turning into plastic, and we don't want to eat plastic. But there's a way out. We can recycle. We can take care of Mother Nature and ourselves, let's say so. So, for that matter, recycle, because the results will be like this. Having a clean shower, you can wash yourself with hot, clean water and enjoy a tasty meal, not eating plastic and cooking plastic. Recycle, because recycling can help ourselves, and helping ourselves is helping Mother Nature.